Hey folks, I'm Vidhya and I blog at vidhyashomecooking.com. You can find a lot of vegan and vegetarian recipes on my blog, and welcome back to my channel. Starting today, I'm going to start a new series on my YouTube channel. It's going to be soup series. Yes, I'm going to share some delicious and interesting soups that you can make in your instant pot, which are perfect for this fall and winter weather. And today I'm going to share the Thai coconut curry noodle soup, or the Khao Soi. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. If not, please forgive me. So that's what I'm going to share, and now let's get straight into the recipe. So the instant pot is in the saute mode. Now we are going to add 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Next I'm going to add 5 cloves of garlic that I chopped finely. It's approximately 15 grams. And next I'm going to add 1 onion that I chopped into wedges or petals, and 3 green onions again chopped, and we need to saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. It's been 2 minutes, and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of store-bought Thai green curry paste and 1/4 cup of water. Just mix it well. So this is the Thai curry paste that I used. It's a vegan one, and it's the Thai Kitchen brand. I will share the link in the description below. Now I'm going to add salt and brown sugar. It's 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar, and mix well. Now add 400 grams of vegetables of your choice. Here I have taken some bamboo shoots, baby corn, both are store-bought, and some fresh carrots, potatoes and zucchini. You can add up to 500 grams of vegetables for this measure, and my measure is approximately 425 grams. Mix the vegetables and turn off the instant pot. Add the remaining water. It's approximately 2 and 3/4 cups of water, and here I have approximately 100 grams of udon noodles. I get them in blocks, and this is approximately 1 block, which is 100 grams, and just gently press it inside. Now close the instant pot and pressure cook this for just 3 minutes and release the pressure quickly. So the pressure is all released. Now I'm going to open the instant pot, and here you go. You can see the noodles is fully cooked, and oh my god, it smells so delicious. So now press the saute button again and add 1 cup of coconut milk. It's the store-bought coconut milk, and it's not the light coconut milk. It's the regular one with full fat. And now add 2 tablespoons of the green part of the scallions or the green onions, and some Thai basil leaves. You can also use the Italian sweet basil, but I have Thai basil leaves in my backyard growing, so I'm just using it. So now let this soup simmer for 2 minutes, and then that's it. You can turn off the instant pot and serve it right away. Also at this stage you can check for the spice level, and if needed you can add more curry paste and let it simmer. I did add half more tablespoon of curry paste, and that's it. This soup you can customize it according to your preference. You can add regular noodles, or you can add rice noodles also. You can check other details on my blog post, and I'll link that also in the description below. So yeah, now the soup is ready. I hope you all enjoyed this soup recipe, the noodle soup recipe. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and I have all the details on my blog post as well, and I have linked the same in the description box. So please do check it out, and stay tuned for the next soup recipe. I'll be back soon, and thank you. As always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. See you soon. Bye.